PlayStation is always evolving, improving, advancing, transforming. Introducing the redesigned DualShock 4 wireless controller with refined analog sticks and precision triggers for complete control. Hear more of the game and your teammates with a built-in speaker and headset jack. Play wirelessly with Bluetooth or directly via USB. A dynamic light bar that shows your status and when you're in trouble. Identifying your teammates and the opposition. An interactive touchpad for more ways to play. Motion sensors and advanced tracking for immersive VR experiences. Share your greatest moments in seconds. Upload screenshots and videos and live broadcast your gameplay. Available in a range of different colors. Discover new ways to play with the redesigned DualShock 4.
PlayStation.